Hey, wait, Afusa, whenever you guys are done ranting, crying, you will get me my clothes because I am not living here until I'm not living here. Hey, what's Tailor, Afusa. I've been waiting for how many months? It is about 4 weeks now. I've not gotten my clothes. In short, I'm tired of this.
Rono.
I'm not living here until I get my clothes.
Auntie, be calming down now. Hey, you see that your clothes that you give me? Yes, it's true that you give me a clothes. But I don't see the thread. You see the thread, no day in Nigeria. I even say people go money here. My hometown. I go money here, no see. Now the thread that they wait for. Don't be say I don't get work or I do like that. As you can see that you see me that I'm working when you enter.
Whatever the thread comes, in Ania, you can use it and sew clothes for your mother. As for me, I am not living here until I go with my clothes today.
Where they go? I even they beg you. You see they start in the south. In fact, your clothes gone indoor room mommy.
Now I will soon beat someone's child.
Come and carry your clothes and go.
Oh yeah, look for the clothes. I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
What rubbish gone? Where is the clothes?
Say what you was say make sense. Tell us how far what you was say make sense.
I'm waiting for you seriously. I'm waiting.
I fairly weary.
Wetin be this? Jesus.
Madam, no vex, I beg. You don't carry your clothes, go far away, oh.
Hey! Hey, wait, Afusa, whenever you guys are done ranting, crying, you will get me my clothes because I am not living here until I'm not living here.
Hey, what's going on? Imagine now.
Which kind of head Dubai? This thing from Dubai. This small thing from Dubai. Don't worry, I go help you order the Aba or Yaba.
Rebecca, how much are they selling this thing?
Okay, I'm sure you want to. Could you be a trainer by law?
Gbogbo ala ti ya we.
Give your name there. Let one so jargon. Let me go and get my phone. I'll snap it with send to Sinedu.
Please.
How much? Please. Straighten the clothes. Straight am. In pay Sinedu. Straight am.
I want to see méjì. You are doing rubbish. You think that you are doing good.
You send it to Sinedu. Hello, Sinedu.
Good afternoon, ma.
Check your WhatsApp. You will see what I sent to you. How much are they selling that clothes?
I don't see the clothes though.
Okay.
The original one no dey Nigeria. The fake one na only one shop. Get them for here. And 1 year na 300,000.
Oga. Oh devil.
Jesus! That's finished. Madam.
Hello? I'm along. I need you here right now. Come inside.
I'm waiting for the parent level. She was the one abusing you.
Burning this food to my boots.